Today I'll show you how to open a Handshake AI account. First, visit the official Handshake AI website and click Get Started. Create your account using your email address and set up a secure password. Next, complete your profile with your education, work experience, location, and areas of expertise. Verify your email or phone number if you're asked to do so. You may also need to upload your resume and provide details about your skills, professional background, and experience. Take a moment to review all the information you've entered and make sure everything is accurate before continuing. Complete any required verification steps, accept the terms, and submit your application. Once your account is approved, open your Handshake AI dashboard to explore available projects and opportunities that match your profile. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.